Okay, so have a read of this question first of all. So manufacturer, so you look at the question first in terms of the manufacturer first. So whatever cost, we refer to the cost of making the item as 100%. So for making this table cost him 100%, that's cost value. Okay, so the shop, he sells it to a shop. Okay, so then the shop, so he sells it to the shop at 16.5%. So it's 100% plus 16.5%. So 100 plus 16.5 is 116.5. Okay. Now the shop sold to the customer, and they made a profit of 18%. So it's basically, so the customer, so 116%, 16.5%, and you increased that by 18%. Okay, so you can multiply it by 18% and then add it to 116.5%, or what you could do, which is shorter and quicker, 165, you can leave out the percent when you're doing it in your calculator, 116.5 multiplied by 1.18, so you're increasing it by 18%. So that will tell you what the customer paid, or what percentage the customer had to pay. So 116.5 multiplied by 1.18 is equal to 137.47. So that's the percentage the customer was actually paying. And in the question, it tells you what the customer actually paid. They paid an amount of 2,173. Okay, so you know what 137.47% is equal. So what you want to do is find out what it costs the manufacturer to make this table. So you want to find out, first of all, what 1% is. So what you do here is you divide this side by 137.47, and you must do the same on the other side. So when you divide 137.47 divided by 137.47, that'll give you 1%, is equal to 1. So you divide any number by itself, it'll give you 1. So 2173 divided by 137.47 is equal to 15.807, and it continues on, but you can keep the figure in your calculator there because you want to find out what 100% is. So what you actually do here is you multiply each side by 100. So you're multiplying this side by 100, and you're doing the same on this. Okay, so 1% multiplied by 100 is equal to 100%. Okay, and that is equal to, so 15, so you have the figure in your calculator, so you multiply it by 100. Okay, and you'll get a figure of 1,580.7, and you should round it off correctly, 71. Because we're talking about money, we'll round off to 2 decimal places. So that's telling you what it cost the manufacturer to make this table was 1,580.71. So that's what 100% is equal to.